Hello guys, I'm Pritesh and today I'm going to explain a very interesting and easy problem called maximum product of two digits. In this problem, we are given a positive integer and our task is to find the maximum product that can be formed using any two digits of the number. One important point is we can use the same digit twice only if it appears more than once in the number. Let's understand with an example. Suppose I have a number 124. The digits are 1, 2, and 4. Now let's calculate all the possible products 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 4, 8. And the maximum product will be 8, so the output will be 8. Now let's see another example 22, so the digit will be 2 and 2, and if there are only 2 digits, so the product will be 4. Now let's understand the approach. We need the two largest digits because the product of the two largest digits will always give the maximum answer. Now, what are the steps? We are going to first extract the digits one by one using modulus 10 and store it into the array and keep the track of the largest digit and the second largest digit. By multiplying both digits, we are going to return the result. Now, let's see the code. First, we have to create a vector. After that, we're gonna extract the digits one by one and store it into the array. Mm, Create a digit variable here and store single digit every time. Now let's push that digit back into the array and reduce digit one by one. Now after that we're gonna sort our loop so that we're gonna at the end of the array give the largest digit and the second largest digit at the end. Now let's stop and begin the rest of and now simply we can store our answer in the answer variable like this five minus one into raise minus two. Now this will give me first first largest digit and second largest digit in the array. Now if I return this would be our answer. Okay, now let's submit the code. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand the problem and solution clearly. See you in the next video.